With you again is Francis. I must welcome you once again to tebitox.com. In today's video, we are going to look at how we can use Microsoft Calendar, which is also known as the Outlook Calendar. This is a calendar, or this is a tool which helps us in many ways in whatever thing we're doing. This can be done individually or as a team in any business industry. So when we use Microsoft Calendar, we use it for scheduling an appointments. We use it for time management. We use it for reminders and notification. Like when you schedule an appointment of the upcoming events, like you can be reminded, you can share, you can collaborate with the team, and the other team can be aware of the activities you are going to do. And you can also synchronize across all the devices. Like you can create an event from your desktop, and then you can keep monitoring your event all across your other devices, like a smartphone, like a laptop, and any other device that you're using. So to start with, first of all, what you need to be aware is that you need to have an email address which is associated with Microsoft, and that's to do with Outlook. You need to have an Outlook email. So when you have and open your browser, you have a browser which look like this. Then on your left side, you see a dots, around 9 dots. When you tap on them, you get a list of Microsoft 365 apps, and those include the Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, To Do, Skype, OneDrive, Excel, OneNote, and Calendar. You can go ahead and hit on Calendar, or you can go and select all the application. When you select all the apps, you get an interface which look like this. So on your interface, we have the apps. Then we have like apps, all the office apps. You can also install another app, or you can go ahead and choose which one you want. And then here specifically, I'm going to open calendar. So I'll go ahead hit on calendar. So when I hit on calendar, my app calendar will open like this. Now this is the interface. This is the overview of interface. Now from here, you can see on my top side, I have Outlook. Then I have the search box. Then here I have Team Core. Like this is a tool which enables me to have video conferencing, and then we have all other tools available. Then down we have the menu, the ribbon of 3 tabs: the home tab, the view, and help tab. The home tab displays all the interface you look at, and then when you go to the view tab opens for you the other tools like the calendar settings, and then the help tab. This gives you the option to, if you want to get more information about the software you're using. So I'll go direct to the home tab. So on the home tab, you see all the tools. Now, on your interface, we have around 3 layout, actually 4 layout. The first layout shows the icons, or like the email, mails, calendar, and so on. And then the second one shows the calendar, the date, the month of the year with all the days. Then down you have other things like add calendar, go to the booking page, and so on. Then the other layout is the all the days in that month of June. For example, we're in June 2023. We have all the days starting from first day up to the last day. The calendar is shared here, and then you have a box here. That box of the current date today, which is 19th June, which is active. It is highlighted for you to easily know that today is this one. Then the last one is about is also talking about the date and there's nothing which is planned. If you have an event, it can display there, and we're going to see how that one works. So now, after looking at this, what we're going to do, we're going to schedule an activity, and then we'll see how that one's done, because we said one of the main advantage, or one of the many benefit of Microsoft Calendar, is that we can use it for scheduling an appointments. We schedule an appointments such as meetings and events, and this enables you to know the date, the time, and other things the event will take place. So we shall go ahead and create an event. To create an event, you can go and tap on the new event in the home tab, or you can go and right click on your active box which display the date today. When you tap on that, you get a dialog box window. You get a window which will pop on the screen, and then it will see on top, you see new event calendar, and then you'll also see like the email associated to that. So right now, what you are going to do is that you can put the title of the date of the calendar, and then of course here I'm going to put the title of the calendar, and this is going to be like I'm going to have a Table Talks workshop. Table Talks students, let me say students debate. Table Talk students debate. That's going to be the title for the event I'm creating. So down here, invite attendees. You can invite people, like all the people. Like I can invite each and every person. Now here you need to have your contacts, the contacts which are on your system. So you add the email contacts, and then from there, when you add the email, you can add them. The moment you add an email address of the person you want to add, then the event will automatically he will be notified about the event you've created. So right on down here, you choose the date and the time. So this is having the start date and the stop date. So like you click here, then when do you want the event to appear? I want that event to be on 25th. 25th is going to be no on 26th, which is Monday, and it's going to start at what time? It's going to start at 9 a.m. And then from there, wow, is it all day when it's supposed to stop? It's supposed to stop at 2 p.m. It's going to be a 5-hour event, and the one when of course supposed to be on 26th. Uh, Now, do you want it to repeat it, or every 26th of a month? No. What's the time zone? So you have to put here the time zone. If it is Pacific time, you have to select that. If it's not, you have all the time zone available. So like I don't know if it is let me see, like I want to set for Uganda, I have to put Nairobi time. If you once said maybe this is going to be held in Uganda or any country of East Africa, you have to set Nairobi time. But if this one is going to be in the US, you can either make the Pacific, you can make it your time zone to be either Eastern time or Pacific time. So after that, how are you going to do? Are you going to allow meetings like video conferencing? Then you have to select that. You have to enable that, meaning that people who come in can have like video conferencing. And then from there, you are going to attach a document, or you can write something about the event. After writing, these are all the formatting tools. I made a video in Microsoft Word on how we can use these formatting tools like bold, italic, underline, colors, alignment, numbers, and so on. Then here you can attach a file. Where do you attach the file? You can browse from your computer. You can browse from your computer, go to documents, or anywhere in your PC. Where do you want what here you attach a document that is going to be related to your activity. This could be like an agenda, this could be like how the plan will be. So after doing all that, when everything is done, do you want to make it private? If you want to make it private that only you can see it, you make it private, or you can make it public. Like when you click private, is that padlock. When it's closed, it means public. When it's not closed, people can easily see it. Then you put the category. You can make it category, create a new category and name it to be Table Talks debate. Then save it with a color green, and then save it. So right now, when you come here, you see Table Talks debate is saved as green. So everything is done. Scheduling poll. Right now, attend first. You need to add people. When you add the people, now they can go ahead and vote to see, and they give you their view. Do they really like the activity to take place? That is scheduling the poll, but you need to add attendance first. Then when each and everything is done, then go ahead and save. So when you save an activity, down now you can see event saved, and you can see on 26 the activity is here. When you tap on it, you can see all the activity information. So where you can easily join, like Microsoft Teams meeting, you can hit to join. Then the title of the activity is it is Tabito Student Debate. The time it will be Sunday, which is 25th June 2023 at 11 to 26. So it's going to take like 2 days. And then the detail, you can delete if you are the admin, or you can delete and edit at the same time, or you can go ahead and join. So when select to join, it will ask you if you want to join, continue using the browser, you want to join as a join on the team app. So you can maybe select to join using the browser. So from there, it's going to initialize for you the Microsoft Team. This is a software, or this is a tool which enables you to go live using like to go live and connect with your team and start doing the video conferencing. So you can continue like maybe without video. So when you join right now, and say join line now, waiting for others to join. This is the interface you get like immediately when everything starts and people have joined. You can now be connected. You can now start all other things. I'm going to make a video on how to use Microsoft Team so that you know how you can use that one. But that generally that's how we can use Microsoft Calendar. Microsoft Calendar is a very important tool that we really need in our lives. We really need in whatever thing we are doing. And when each and everything is done, you can also go ahead and print. You can click on that. You can print it, or can print from here. And of course, you know how to print. I did a video about printing in Excel and Microsoft Word. You can use the same technique whenever you want to print something from here. Then the other thing is that you can go ahead and I think once each and everything is done, then you are good to go. As I said, this can be synchronized in all other devices. If you log into your mobile phone, if you log into your tablet, you can easily get this information. You can get the schedule, and then you can work on it. So for now, we are going to stop here. In the next video, I'll make a video on how we can use like tools like Microsoft Teams, so that we see how you can join and start collaborating with your fellows. Thank you guys. I will love you so much. Remember to subscribe to Tebi Talks so that you get all these videos as they come in. Thank you very much.